Welcome to Scopito Tutorials. This video covers how to stop your Scopito annual subscriptions from renewing. Let's get started. There are two ways to cancel a subscription on our Scopito pay-as-you-go account. When we created and activated our account, we would have been issued a portal to manage all of our Scopito account subscriptions. We can log into our portal by going to subscriptions.zoho.com/portal/Scopito/login. Once you have logged in, you will be presented with an overview of your account, your outstanding invoices, available credits, your payment method, and other information. On the left side bar menu, we can click into other areas of our account such as invoices and our subscriptions. This is where we can view and manage all of our subscriptions. In this view, this is how our subscriptions appear. We can see the associated cost, the activation date, as well as the renewal date. And as a side note, the standard renewal schedule is annual, year over year, or until you cancel the subscription. The other option is to go back to your inspections listings, find the inspection that you want to cancel, and on the far right, we just click the three dots, then click Delete Inspection, and click Yes to confirm the deletion of the inspection, which simultaneously cancels the subscription. Thank you for viewing this tutorial, and we'll see you in the next one.